Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Modi. I am pursuing my BTech in Electronics and Communication from Dharmsi Desai University. Today I am here to discuss on a very important topic, that is time management. Now I would like to start with a question. What is time management? Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities. Good time management enables your work to smarter and not harder so that you get more done in less time. Even when time is tight and pressures are high, failing to manage your time damages your effectiveness and causes stress. It involves a juggling act of various demands upon a person relating to work, social life, family, hobby, or personal interest. Using time effectively gives the person choice on spending or managing activities at their own time and expediency. Time management may be aided by a range of skills, tools, and technique used to manage time accomplishing when accomplishing specific tasks, projects, and goal, compiling with a due date. Initially, time management referred to just business or work activities, but eventually the term broadened to include personal activities as well. A time management system is designed combination of process, tools, techniques, and method. Time management is usually necessary in any project management as it demands the project completion, time, and scope. It also important to understand that both technical and structural differences in time management exists due to variation in cultural concept of time. Now I would like to discuss how to manage time. A person should eliminate unnecessary activities from their daily schedule on like example on weekend that we can do it on weekend. Especially should socialize on weekend, also include traveling time in the schedule. This ensures accuracy. Most noteworthy, make a timetable on a paper in which you should write your daily activities. This will create discipline in your life. Moreover, you should complete the task daily. However, there will be some changes in the schedule with time. Finally, your schedule need to be practical. You cannot make your schedule unless you know your daily timings. Each person's schedule is unique, so you cannot copy. So, if you copy, you won't progress in life. Now, I would like to discuss an analysis that is called ABCD analysis, a technique that has been used in business management for a long time in categorizing for large data into groups. These groups are often marked as A, B, C, and D group. Hence, the name activities are ranked by three general criteria. Now, I would like to discuss this A, B, C, and D. A. Tasks that are perceived as being urgent and important. B. Tasks that are important but not urgent. C. Tasks that are unimportant but urgent. D. Tasks that are unimportant and not urgent. Each group is then ranked ordered by priority. To further define the prioritization, some include choose to then force rank all terms as either A or C. It may seem counter-initiative to dedicate the precious time to learning about time management instead of using it to get on with your work. But benefits are enormous. Greater productivity and efficiency, a better professional reputation, less stress, increased opportunity of advancement, greater opportunities to achieve important life and career goals. Now, failing to manage your time effectively can have some very undesirable consequences. Missed deadlines, insufficient workflow, poor quality, a poor professional reputation, and a stalled career and high stress level. So, spending a little time learning about time management technique will have a huge benefit now and throughout your career. So, I would urge you, everyone, to manage your time so that will help you to build a very brightful career. Thank you.